Hello everybody, myself Debashrita. Welcome to Educated, and today we'll start with English grammar. Okay, so why is grammar important in English? Okay, why do we need to understand grammar? Because if we imagine language as a body, then as our body is supported by bones, similarly the English language is supported by grammar. Okay, so to understand the language, emotions and communications, we need to understand grammar properly so that we can express and understand in a better manner. Okay, so to start with, today we'll study about the noun. Okay, noun and the kinds of noun. So noun is a word which refers to any place, name or a thing. So here thing means anything we can think of. Means noun is a word which describes the name, place or a thing. Here thing means anything which we can think of. Okay, so let's see one example. Okay, Ashoka was a wise king. So here, which one is the noun? So there are two nouns here. First one is Ashoka, the second one is king. Because here Ashoka is a name given to a person and king is a name which refers to the designation that person has been assigned. Matlab, Ashoka is the name of the person. So this is a proper noun. Okay, proper noun. Then king. King is a designation, means like he's a teacher, he's a doctor, he's an engineer. So like that, he's a king. So kings can be many people. Okay, many people can be given this designation as he was the king, or that person was a king, or that person is a king. So this is a common noun. It is common to all. So this is a common noun. So this Ashoka is the name given to a particular person. So this is a proper noun. And king. Here king is a noun which may be referred to some other kings as well. So this is a common noun. Okay. So as we got to know from the earlier example कि Ashoka was a great king, from that we knew कि Ashoka is a proper noun and king is a common noun. Okay. So proper noun means name of some particular person or place, which a name that the person owns, I mean its own name, like Sita, Gita or Ashoka, anything. Okay. So those are proper noun because those are the name of some particular person. Okay. And common noun. Common noun means the name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Means a teacher, a doctor, an engineer, a king, or like this. So these are common noun. Common because these are shared by all. It is not a particular thing which is given to a particular person. This common noun can be shared by all. Okay, so let's see another example. Let's get back to another example. Sita is a good girl. From this, try to find out which one is the proper noun and which is the common noun. Okay, so as we know from the definition that here Sita, this is a proper noun, and girl, this is a common noun, because Sita is the name of some particular person or place, and girl here is common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Means the girl is shared by all. Means Sita can be a girl, then Geeta can be a girl. So this girl is common to all, but Sita here is a proper noun which is given to a particular person. Okay, and this is the common noun. Okay. So this is all about the proper noun and common noun. Okay, so here we got to know about what is a proper noun and what is a common noun. Okay, but in response to this, with respect to this proper noun, okay, there is a simple thing which we need to keep in mind always. Okay, proper noun. So the name which starts with this proper noun, the name which is a proper noun always starts with a capital letter, like Sita or Ashoka. Okay, all the names which are proper nouns are always starts with a capital letter. Okay, and then proper noun, this is point number 1. Point number 2 is proper noun can also be referred to as, can also be used as a common noun. In many places, we have also seen that proper noun are also used as common noun. How? Now, for example, Kalidas was also called as the Shakespeare. So these are the examples. First one is Kalidas was also called as the Shakespeare of India, and the second one is he was Lukeman of his age. So why is Kalidas referred to as Shakespeare? Shakespeare, this is the common noun. Shakespeare here means the greatest dramatist. Okay. Greatest dramatist, and he was Lukeman of his age. So here Lukeman means the wisest man. Okay. So this way, as you can see from the two examples, this way a proper noun is also used as a common noun. Okay. So after the proper noun and common noun, we have two more nouns, like which is in continuation with common noun. Okay, so they are the collective noun and the abstract noun. Okay, So collective noun means when we are considering a group of people, or we are aggregating some numbers. Okay, so that is the collective noun. And abstract noun means when we are talking about some emotions or some like laughter, happiness, all those are abstract noun. We'll get back to the definition one by one. Okay, so as we got to know about that, common noun also includes collective noun and abstract noun. So what exactly is a collective noun? Means name of a number or collection of persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. Means uh, if there are if in a place we see 20 to 30 people, we will not say that there is 1%, 2%, 3%. As a whole, we will say that there is a crowd in that place. So here crowd means number of people present in that particular spot. Okay. And for example, uh, a group of 5 to 6 or 10 people are always referred to as a team. We will not say that there is a group of 10 to 20 people. If they are in the same, um, if they are in a they are together in one same mission, so we'll say that there is a group of people which is referred to as a team. They are a team. Okay, so this crowd, team, army, fleet, family, we stay in a family, right? Which includes 3 people to 5 people, or maybe 7 people, or maybe 10 people. So we do not differentiate and say, as a whole, we take all people as a whole and we say that this is a family. Okay. Then nation, etc. So name of a number or collection of persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. Means we will not differentiate the numbers. We will, if we want to refer to that group of people, we'll refer to them as a whole. So for example, crowd, team, army, fleet, family, nation, etc. There are many more. So this is a collective noun. Okay. Now let's come to this abstract noun. So what's an abstract noun? The name of a quality, action or state. It's a quality, action or state considered apart from the object to which it belongs. Okay. Like for example, quality means the goodness, kindness. These are the qualities which a person has, and these are the abstract nouns. Okay, which are he's a person who is full of goodness, who's full of kindness. So those are that person's quality. So this is the example of quality. Then action. Action means where you are doing something like laughter, theft, or movement. For example, laughter, that person is laughing, so he is doing some action. So laughter. And theft, if somebody broke into somebody's house and there was a robbery, so they did that thing, so they did some action, so that's a theft and movement. Okay. And then state is a particular type of zone. Means childhood. I was in my childhood is considered to be a state. Okay. Then youth, then sleep. If I'm sleeping, means I'm in a state of sleeping. I'm doing something which I'm in a state where I'm sleeping. Okay. Then sickness. So this is what is referred to as abstract noun. So today, quality, action, state, and here name of the number, a collection of persons or things. Okay. So this is the common noun is again divided into collective noun and abstract noun. Okay. So today we read about noun, then from noun we got two things, that is a proper noun and a common noun. Again, this common noun was subdivided into two parts, which includes, common noun includes a collective noun and an abstract noun. So these were the various kinds of noun which we read about today. In the next class, we'll study about some more nouns. Okay. So, thank you. If you like this class and if you got some knowledge about nouns and you were happy, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.